Hello everyone. Hopefully I'm audible and live. Yep. So let's get back to the trading guys. Let me just see that I am live on my YouTube channel or not. One second. Just give me 1 second guys. Yes guys, I am live and I am live with full confidence guys. So anyone who want to join can join with this link or okay, so as I'm my first customer I can just join it and give a like. Great. Okay, so what we'll do today is we will trade for 1 hour in BTC, ETH, or Sol, Solana. Okay, so anyone who wants to trade, this is basically a application which we will use for practice only. Okay, we will not do real trading here. We will do trading for practice. Now you're thinking that, oh, if you're not trading with real money then it's too boring, right? But guys, but if you try to do with the real money in the real trading, and if you are noob or you have no knowledge about how to trade, you just punch the trade in either direction, either long or short, and it will eventually leads up to the losses. So why to lose real money if you know nothing? It's better to practice, because practice makes man perfect. If you find suitable, that if you are find yourself comfortable that you are now ready to trade in the real world with real money, then you are free to go and trade in with real money. Nobody is stopping you. I am here just to prevent yourself from taking big losses or losses in with real money, so that you are not able to trade again, right? In order to avoid that big losses, you just have to trade yourself. Yeah, sorry, practice yourself. And to practice, this is the application. You can just go to Paperweight, Paperweight, without Paper, with just Paperweight, and that's it. That's literally it, guys. You just have to paperweight it. Why I named this application Paperweight? Because you are just putting paperweight in your money, real money. Oh wait, we will we will invest that real money when we are able to trade confidently. Before that, we will practice. So I'm a software engineer guys, and I made this application for me and for you guys to practice with the BTC, ETH, Solana. Later on I will add or more cryptocurrency, but as you can see, there are a lot of options. You can practice with real market, with everything, with real simulation. Once you sign up, you will receive $100,000 in digital money as a mock money, so that you can take a trade. You can trade with 1 Bitcoin. That is a huge amount. You can just trade with 1 Bitcoin. In Solana, you can just trade with 100 to 200, 300 Solana points. Ethereum with 30, 40 Ethereum points. So you have pretty much of margin, and you can just trade it. So I'm going through the application. This is the chart on the left hand side, and this is the trading interface. Where you can just uh, punch the orders. If you want, you can just do it the full chart, so that you can just see the chart in the full screen, and you can just switch back and forth with the Ethereum, BTC, or Sol. And if you don't want like this method, you can just limit enter the quantity, SL, and target, and we can just exit if you want. These are the feature that I implemented for paid users. That means if you are punching the trade, and later on you have to come back to trace your trade, or to see what went wrong with the trade, or what could uh, went with the trade, so that you can just take the screenshot of particular trade while punching particular trade. or after taking the trade, see, let me show you the order history. You can write your notes down. So for example, I have written the notes for this particular trade, why I took this trade. So market was down and on EMA, that's why I took this trade. Something like that, makes you meaningful. And besides that, there is an attached screenshot, so that you can see, okay, I took the trade for this particular screenshot is attached. Let me see. So before trading, what we will do, we will follow certain approaches and certain rules while trading. And these rules are nothing uh, but the foundation in which you have to trade. Because if you get too much freedom to trade, then you will eventually end up in losses. So you have to set some set of rules. And I'm just seeing myself that how many people are joined. And sadly only one is there, and I don't know why. It's fine. uh, we will focus on the trading. So let me see what is happening at where is my yeah, let me see what is happening at ETH. And ETH, I will follow the same approach. I will follow the 1 hour candle and see. Okay, I have to do the EMA. Okay, sorry, indicators, EMA. I have to do this with, okay. So there are two indicators, 915 EMA and at 1 hour interval. Let me see what is happening at 4 hour. So this is the top down approach. You have to find out where the market is moving. Because trading is too complex, and to make it easy, we have to follow some set of rules. First thing is to know where the market is moving, either it is moving in up direction or downward direction. So if we formulated of if we find out that market is moving in either of direction, either up or down, then 50% of the problems are solved. Because we have to take our trade, our scalping in the direction where the market is moving. So we have to follow the trend. There's a saying in crypto, in market world, in stock world, in this price action trading, that we have to follow the trend. Trend is your friend, right? So seeing the trend for the past 4 hours, it is pausing. Like it isn't for the past couple of days, it is in long run, it is in bullish mode. The market is in bullish mode, but as you can see that now it is pausing, and pausing like it is making it is inviting all those buyers to jump in, and then making this red candle just after inviting the buyers to take their stop losses. So this is a no trading zone actually. Like you have to avoid trading at a larger time frame. So at 4 hours interval, something like that, you have to avoid trading. And once there is a clear direction that market is trying to move, or it breaks this zone, so there is a zone, you can just market this zone. So there is a seller's zone at this particular point. And if you mark it as a selling zone, and you have to avoid the trading at this particular area. Let me see what how much time left to close this candle. So 1 hour 35 minutes is left to close the candle. And it is very mandatory, and it is very important to know how this candle is closing, right? So if the candle closes in the green, or closes in the bullish mode, then there is a high chances that market will follow. Okay, guys, give me a minute. I'm just coming. So sorry, guys. That's the alarm to turn off my gas stove. It's fine. Okay. So what we can see is in Ethereum there is no opportunity in the longer time frame. Let's see what is happening at 1 hour time frame. So at 1 hour time frame, you can just see that there is a zone of buying also at bottom side. This is the zone of buying. So I will mark it as a green. Either way, now market is stuck between the buying and the selling zone. Right now it is buying zone at so market is trading at in the zone. So uh, it's better to avoid trading in this particular market because there is a high chances that you will end up in giving the stop losses to the market. So at 15-hour interval you can just see that there is a channel, market is moving in a channel, and we have to avoid trading in this particular channel. So we will avoid trading in Ethereum so for quite a time, because if in either way, if the market breaks this channel or break the above channel, then we can trade. Then we know the clear direction that in which the direction the market is moving. Right now it is consolidating, it is pausing, it is inviting buyers or sellers to uh, took some decision so that the market can move in either of the direction, right? All right, so let's keep it at 15 minutes interval and let's back to the BTC. So let's see what is happening at BTC at 4-hour interval. At 4-hour interval, oh my god, the Bitcoin is super bullish, guys. And if I find any opportunity in the upside, I will definitely jump in the long side. So let me see what is happening at the 1 hour interval. So if there is any opportunity in the up direction, we will take it. So you can clearly see that at 4 hour interval the market is super bullish, although like it reached to the selling zone at this point. As you can see that this is a selling zone again. So the same thing that we have seen uh, in the, and this is a quite a heavy saving selling zone, right? Okay, so market struggled a lot at this particular moment, like, so uh, like it is big selling zone, guys. So uh from 18th November, like for 2 months, almost 2 months, market is struggling to break this particular zone. It's good, it's very good that we have seen the past price action, because market has been reached to this particular place where market can where sellers can get activate and try to uh, square off or try to cool off the market from this particular point and try to push the market downwards. So we have to avoid trading at this particular point. But if if this is a real move, if this is the real breakout or something like that, this is where all the buyers are getting accumulated and they try to push uh, the and try to break the zone, or this is the real momentum, then we can just jump in the up direction. But for now we can just see that we have to trade very cautiously. I'm not saying that we cannot trade, because this is for the past 3 to 4 hours, this is very you can see that for the past 3 to 4 hours, this is very good momentum going on in the long direction, and we can take the advantage. If we find any other another move in the up direction, we can just jump in, because we know that market will try to go up in up direction. So there is a let me mark it as a red, because this is a selling zone. Although like this this is for let me for the 15 minute, let me show you something. Let me put it in different uh, angle, so that it looks less scary. So let me delete it, because this is, let me put it like this way, rectangle. So let me put it like this way. So this was the selling zone, because eventually that zone that we drew at 4 hour is the real, because that is at 30 minute we can't see that. Okay, all right, so this is literally uh, so at 30 minute we can see, yeah, it is here, like for the like after 12th December, uh, market have reached after 12th December, the market have reached at this point. So it's been a month that market is approaching at this point, and we can just see if this is a real momentum, then market can cross it anytime, and we will take the advantage of that. Right now, let's see what is happening at 15 minutes, and if we find that I think we can trade for how much point it is there to reach. Okay, market already moved, so 129 points. So that doesn't make any sense, because if it is not 500 to 600 points, and we are not going to invest our one Bitcoin in this particular trade. Although, like if someone wants to trade, then they can trade in the downward direction, because up till this point, market will definitely come, or either try to break this particular trend line. But we are not sure at how market will behave at this particular point. Let's see what is happening at Solana. So Solana, let me remove this volume chart. Let me see what is happening at 4 hour interval first. So 4 hour interval, you can just see that Solana is also at uh, uh, Solana is uh, also in a long run, and eventually this red candle will is formed, because see, so many buyers are convinced, um, and came to 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 buy at this particular position, and to because they can see that the trend is in the long direction, and this is right opportunity to buy it. And by seeing this particular candle, the 4 hour candle, they just jumped in. Now this red candle is just squaring off all the weak buyers uh, that that came along and put their trade in this uh, particular candle. Now the market is trying to flush all those weak buyers, and it will definitely creating something like this. Let me show you by brush, or by there's pen or something. I think, yeah, this is. So what market is trying to do is, market is trying to make a move up, then okay, so this is not the right tool. mm, Path, yeah, let me see. So market is trying to move, like the move up, then then inviting all the buyers here, then taking their stop loss, then market will try to make the move up again, and this is the time that you have to uh, enter, because okay, so yeah. Okay, so let me see that what is happening at 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, there it is, you can just see there is a, this is the buying zone. This is the buying zone, guys. Market has reached to its buying zone, and if someone is trying to sell from here also, like, they might get trapped, because this is the buying zone and so many buyers are there to protect their positions, and we have to make the most out of it. Let me see what is okay, one viewed and one like, that is me. Nice. Okay, I'm not sharing the screen, right? Fuck. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm literally sorry. Is my screen visible? Oh no. So for past 20 minutes, I am just speaking, and you guys are seeing me. Oh gosh. See, guys. Okay, let me go through once more, because it literally, I'm speaking continuously for the past 20 minutes, and I haven't shared my screen, and you guys only see my face. So it's very painful. Okay, let's go through again. So guys, so this is the application. You can just go to paperweight.com, paper without e. You just go to paperweight.com and sign up. By signing up, you will receive $100,000 of digital mock money. This is the application where you can practice your trading. Simple, very simple. This is not the real trading, because real trading involves real money. And why to lose real money if you are not confident enough to trade in the real market, right? Although the market is real, the chart is synced with the real chart, and this is actually the real chart. This is a trading view chart. How, see, this is the trading view chart, right? Chart is in sync, and chart is exact replica, or this is exactly what you are seeing in the XNS or in any of the trading world, in the real trading exchange. This is the application where you can punch your trade in the real time, but not involving your real money. This is where the power of this demo paper trading application comes in. I When you sign up, I will give you, why I'm saying that like this. Let me put it this into charge. Okay, so guys, okay, so I will give you $100,000, which we can trade with one Bitcoin, like 3 to 400 Solana, 500 Solana, whatever you can. What is the price over there for the particular Solana? Ethereum 30 to 40, 50 Ethereum, so that you can get a mm, popular like good opportunity to trade on with the real market and with the real data, right? Now, to improve your trading, you need some sort. This is the real simulation of the trading world. So to improve your trading, you might need to write down your trade. What went through your head? What is your motivation to took the particular trade, and what is the thought process, right? So to do this, what I have implemented, I have given you the notes section. So for example, in this particular trade, what I thought at this particular trade, I thought something. So I write it down at that particular moment of time whenever I took this trade. So the market was down and on EMA. That's why I took the trade. You can go get more specific why you took the trade. And there is this particular chart screenshot toggle. Whenever you click it, and whenever you took this whenever you put this toggle in as on, that means whenever you punch the trade, the moment you punch the trade, the screenshot of this particular chart will be taken, so that you will, whenever in future you will come back to this particular trade in this order history, you can find this attached screenshot, that okay, this I took this trade at this particular moment of time at 5th Jan. So I can be more specific why I took the trade. And although like this is very hard feature to implement on, so that's why I kept it as a paid feature. So I am a paid user. That's why I, although like so why why you are saying that I have implement, why I have do done that, because I made this entire application on my own. I am a software engineer, guys, and I know how to code. So I took that as a as a as a skill to make this entire application to enhance my trading journey, my trading skills. And if I am if I am improving, if I am enhancing my skill, uh, why I cannot do with you also. So for community, I made this application for me and for brothers like me, for brothers and sisters like me, that is on the other side of the screen, that is watching my videos right now. So guys, you can just go to this paperweight.com uh, in the URL, or I will give you the link in the description. Okay, so I will attach this link to the description as well. So in the I edit it, uh, sign up your account on to practice trading real time. Save it. So as you can see, now it is available. You can just, let me see, is it available or not. Yeah, it is available, guys. So now you can just go to this paperweight.com and sign up. Okay, now let's get back to the trading world. So in Bitcoin, what is happening? Okay, so as you can see, this is quite hilarious move. Market just went to the selling side and find it. Oh, this is the buying zone. This is the trend line. Market just flipped 180-degree and trading at this particular point. So let me tell you what I have told for the last 20 minutes. So for to see, well, see, in trading is literally the tedious task and the difficult task in the entire world. And apart from the difficult, it is most boring task. बहुत ही boring task है guys. तो इतना बोरिंग टास्क को अगर अगर आसान बनाना है ना, और इतना डिफिकल्ट टास्क को अगर आसान बनाना है, तो you have to follow some certain rules, the rules that are uh, easy to see and easy to look at it, but very difficult to implement. So to see that how this particular trade works, you have to identify the trend and in which direction the market is moving. For example, you can just do it by the help of top down approach, like seeing from the top. So for this, you have to change the time frame to larger time frame, like 4 hours, 1 day, or 1 hour. And at 4 hour, you can just see that market is in the uptrend, and you have to find the right opportunity to enter. Now you know that market is an uptrend. So there are two ways: either market will go up or market will go down. And if you identify the one that market will go is going up, then you have solved the 50% of the problem. Now in that rest 50, now you have to enhance the probability in that 50% only, because you already neglected the other 50%. Now you are in the success 50%. Now in this success 50%, you have to make sure, you have to improve your chances, more chances of success in this 50%. So let me zoom a bit for the shorter time frame and see what is happening at the 15-minute time interval. So at 15-minute time interval, you can see that there's a red zone, where the market is, where the market tried 1, 2, and 3 times, and it is not successfully able to clear this red zone. So now it is the fourth time market is trying to break this zone, and if it is successful, then we can say that this is the real move, and market has already broken the uh, broken the red zone. So if it is a trap, then it can trap all the buyers here and make the move in the downward direction to um, to hit the stop loss of all the buyers, right? Just a second, guys. Let me do something. So guys, you can just see. Okay, so we can find the opportunity. So we know that most of the buyers are trapped. Now we can take the advantage of uh, countdown to close the bars. We can take the advantage of this candle, and we can just uh, sell short. So I just implemented the trade in the downward direction, because I know that most of the buyers are got trapped, and I took the position at 92,973. So it is 973. Where is short position? Okay, this is 90,973. Where is 973? 992,973. Yeah, this time. So this is the position. Okay. So I took this trade in the and the max that I will give is this is the maximum, say $67. but I don't have that much of appetite. So I will. Okay, guys. I am at. So what I'm doing is I am just keeping it as a $372 risk, and this is my. So I took the trade in the because I think this is the trapping candle, and if I'm right, then I might capture all those trapped buyers. Although the risk is too much high, so this is not my way of doing the trading. I think I trapped. I got trapped. I think. Um, but let's see. So the risk is $372, and the target is $441. So we took the trade in the downward direction because we think that this is a selling zone, and what market tried to go in the up direction, and by getting all those trapped buyers, because after seeing all this green candles, most of the buyers got accumulated here, and they have their stop losses at this particular point. So if we are lucky enough, or the probability is on in our side, then we can trap all those buyers. But I think I took the trade in the FOMO. The FOMO hits, and I will cut this trade, guys, because I'm not feeling well. I squared off my position at 233. I don't know how what is my loss is $251 loss. So this is my mistake, guys. I have took the trade in FOMO because I don't think so. This is the perfect trade that I took the trade at this particular point, and I am wrong, guys. I have been wrong because I have to wait for the next candle that or at least for the candle to close. There is still a 1 minute to close this candle, and I just took the trade. See, if I didn't uh, cut off my trade, then this is how my stop loss gonna hit. So this is the mistake, and I have done the mistake, guys. I don't know why I took this trade. This is a FOMO, so don't have to do it. And realizing your mistake is one of the most important thing, because you are not here to prove someone that you are how good or how bad you are. Uh, so you can see how bad I am at trading right now. Is so I have took the past five trades, like on 19 December, 19 December 20th, and 2nd of January. Now today is 5th of January, and continuously I'm making losses, guys. So this is how your fellow developer, Mr. Vivek Singh, is trading. Vivek Singh Bhadoria is trading like this, and this is very embarrassing, guys. To be very honest, this is literally embarrassing. So let me wait to the price action to uphold. And is Solana, what is happening? Let me see what is happening at Solana. Okay, Solana is too much bullish, guys. Too much bullish. So Solana is actually very bullish, that it is making countdown to close the bar. 5 minutes. It is closing the candle. Solana is too much bullish, guys. If anyone is holding it in the up direction, so that they can hold it. I can hold it, guys. Ethereum is confusing, making this dozy candle out of nowhere. And Bitcoin is last 30-minute candle is so much bullish, so that it is inviting all the buyers to come in. And if it is a real move, then it can follow up with. So we have to wait. Let's wait. My next trade will be at this point in the up direction. So I will be. I took this trade in the long direction, guys, because I think that. Let me see where I took this trade. I took this trade at 93,647. 93,647. 93,647. Okay. This is where I took the trade, and this is my stop loss. So candle low is my stop loss, and a target would be at $500 at least. If it is a real breakout, then, but I don't think so that market will give you easy money. Okay, I think so. We got trapped again. I just let me sell this again. So I am in the selling side right now, because I think, like me, most of the buyers got trapped at this particular point, and I sold at 93436. So what is this? 93436 short. 93436. My stop loss would be at candle high, and my target would be at this. Let's see, guys. Why I took this trade is because I think that it is a false breakout, and too many buyers got will be got trapped. And if it is the case, then I have to be in the short side to get the stop losses of all the, because I also got wrong. And okay, so let's see. If this trade fails, I will stop trading for today, because it is already three trades and uh, we have reached the maximum trade punching for a day. So my trade punching for a day is three trades, and I already took 3 days. See, guys, I have took small losses, not like $500,000 stop. It's like 200 $150 stop loss, and it's fine. Like, if you have to try it, but you have to try it no matter what, with a small stop loss. And if I gain, I will gain like $700, $800. I will not take my profit in between. I am very much into the process that if I lose, I will lose small. If I gain, I will gain big. So that's my style of trading is, and I will stick to my style of trading. I'm interested that how this trade will look like after 10 minutes. Either I will book my stop loss and accept that market will be moving in the long run, and it is a true breakout. But if it is a false breakout, then market should be moving downwards, and I have to take the early advantage that okay now, but it is moving in the bold direction, like, so uh, getting the stop losses of all the sellers and all the buyers the same time. This is my last trade, guys, because I already reached three trades. What will happen. Either I will book my target, or I will book my loss. That's perfectly fine to me. But as of now, let me see what it is showing at 4 hour interval. At 4 hour interval, you can just see I I traded against the trade, and that is not good actually. So trading against the trade is not uh, advisable, and everyone will say that you have to avoid trading in the against the trade. But why I took this trade is what I'm seeing at this 15 minutes also. So there is a selling zone right here. But after seeing this great momentum of buying, it is very unnecessary that I took this trade in the selling side. Uh, Maybe foolish of me that I took this trade in the selling side. Let's see. I think I entered in the wrong trade for sure for the third time today. Sentiments change within seconds, guys. Still, my account is thirsty to book a profit because I took 5 trades. In all the 5 trades, I booked losses. So I think this is the sixth trade. Earlier, the this zone is acting as a selling zone, but I don't think now the behavior of this zone is changing, and it might act as a buying zone from now onwards because these buyers will definitely protect their capital. Uh, because if we draw a Fibonacci retracement, this is the exactly this is 50%, and they will try every penny of their money to protect this zone. So I think this red zone will now act as a buyers, and if it crosses this particular zone, then it is definitely that it will come to this point. There is no doubt. But if market tried to, let's see what is happening at 5 minutes. So if market tries to pull up from this particular point, then it will definitely break your stop loss for sure. So the next candle is very important. How the next candle will perform. This is not a great candle to be honest. It has to be in the downward direction, but it eventually crosses in the up direction. Let's see, guys. Let's wait. I'm decreasing the stop loss to this point, $83 now. Because if I know $114, because if it crosses this point, it will definitely cross that point also. So my stop loss is at $114 and my target is $800. But there's chances that market will, because market have already trapped all those buyers that get accumulated at this particular point. Now they have all the stop losses at this point. So if market try to market then can get their stop losses. But let's see how market behaves now. Okay, $101.89. Okay, in the next second it is $70, or you can just say $50. So from 100 to 50 within seconds. This is how your sentiment changes, guys. This is how sentiment changes. $0. Nice. 40 more seconds to close the candle. And for the past four candles, the candle closed in the dozis. Okay, we ended up in $2 loss, $23 loss, $13 loss. So this candle also closed in the dozy side. $114 is our extreme loss that we can carry. Otherwise, we can just square off a position. That's fine. Okay, I think it will take our stop loss for sure. Okay, guys. So our stop loss got hit, and I closed my position manually because it just took a stop loss. Because because I know if this and see the size of this candle, if it hit this particular point, then it will definitely reach to this point as well. And I don't want to necessarily waste $100 more. So guys, I am at what a streak. See, just look at the streak, guys. These are 7 trades, and in 7 trades, I booked 7 losses. Overall, you can just see there are 7 trades, profitable 0, lost trades, and overall profit over and PNL is $122. Worst trade is $251. Yet there is best trade yet to come. But guys, this is today's session. We'll see you in tomorrow's session. Okay. So much pain, guys. So much pain. I already exhausted 3 trades for today, like 1, 2, and 3. And that's what my quota is, and what my rule says that I have to take 3 trades only. Although I broken um couple of rules today also, like I have to wait for particular candle to close, and I didn't wait and just jumped in before closing the candle, and I have to write it down in this particular. I booked loss because my entry is not good. I just jumped in the trade without waiting for the trade for the candle to close. Or let me tag this as a early entry. Save notes. So for the next, whenever I come, I'll see that okay, this have some kind of notes. Oh guys, see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye. Sorry guys, I'm just booked 3 losses. Well, it's part of game. Let's follow the process. Someday we will book 3 profit as well. I'm ending my stream, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.